Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for your Tidal account. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your password for your Tidal account, open up your Tidal application first. Once you open up your account, make sure that you're logged in as well, and from the main For You page of Tidal, go ahead and click on your profile initial at the top left-hand corner. From the expanded menu, click Settings. Now, scroll all the way down but make sure that you are clicked on this Account tab and you'll be able to see an option that says Password. Give it a click, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. Go ahead and enter your old password in the first text box that is associated with Tidal accounts. Create a new password on the next field and type it in, retyping the new password in the last text box just to confirm that you are typing in the correct one. And finally, after you see the update button popping up, give it a click in order to change your password. That is how you can easily change your password for Tidal. Click on Open Tidal in order to open up your application, and now you have successfully changed your password for Tidal. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just changed to. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.